Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Paco with the Hemi. Today I'm finna come with y'all my first little mod for the car. I don't like a mod, more just looks wise. But yeah, this is probably your first time seeing my face. Yeah, this is me. You know, I think my second video. I don't know. But anyways, that's what we got in here, man. I already opened it. I was a little bit too excited to look. 2005, 2010 Chrysler SRT8. It's not an SRT8 though, but I watched the video on the dude. He didn't have a SRT8. It was a normal 300C, which I think it fits all. So what we looking like? It's a little dark tint. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on right now, man. Wrong one. Alright, y'all, let's get to it. Let's get to it. I also watched the video already, so kind of already know what I'm doing, I think. Some girl's car. I'll show the license plate. She ain't famous. Ain't nobody really too much looking for. Yeah, man. So, yeah. That 5.7, everything clean. Sounds great. Look at it. It's steam, baby. Oh, man. Yeah. First one. It says under. Oh, just like that. Oh, that was easy. A little bit too easy. Yeah, it's me. Just a second. Oh, we got this under. Here. Shears on there nice and tight. Sure. They look good, yo. Murdered out tinted headlights. Yeah, y'all, that's all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you watch all the way, make sure you like, subscribe, all that. Appreciate it.